How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here, back again with another group build video. This is going to be my entry into Cliff at GI Mechanics Scale Modeling, and here's his shop card, guys. I will leave a description below. This is my upstate New York buddy. He lives in upstate New York. My son lives up there, stationed up there. He's an Army recruiter. So one of these days, I think this summer, I plan a trip up to New York. And Cliff, I want to meet up with you, brother. All right, with that being said, before I start this video, like always, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, new subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, it don't cost you nothing. It's free. Please consider checking out and becoming a subscriber. Okay, with that being said, it's also a great modeling community, guys. We host a lot of group builds, a lot of buddy builds. Just get on here and share what you build, share your collection, building techniques, whatever you want to do. It's an awesome modeling community, from automotive to military to figure painting to sci-fi, you name it, it's on here. Even give love to my RC guys, Hot Wheels guys, diecast, you know, guys, this community is open to everybody. Alright, with that being said, Cliff, this will be my entry. This is a MV Augusta 500cc 3-cylinder, right here. This is in the Revell box, but it's an actual Protar kit. You know, Protar's been out of business for a while now. I guess Atelieri and Revell share their molds. So this is the Revell version of it. This is 1/9 scale. As y'all can remember, last year I built the MPC 1/9 scale Dick Mann's Honda CBR racer, and I'm sticking to the theme. I'm sticking with 1/9 scale, and this is going to be another racer. And this kit is not open. Let's get this thing opened up. Let me find a knife here. Let me get this thing open, guys. Excuse me, technical difficulties. Alright, you can see, opening this bad boy up. It's got the side opening box. There's the first sprue. It looks like the glass, all the wire springs, and chrome, which all the chrome will be stripped, because there's going to be very little chrome on this bike. Let's see. It's molded in red, black, and gray plastic. You can see right there, everything's still sealed. It's going to be a pretty good sized kit. Not as big as Seamus's kit. Seamus is building a 1.6. He built a 1.6 Harley Davidson last year. Y'all need to check that out. That thing was amazing. Of course, Seamus, he'll light everything up and everything, and even put the sound to it, I think. There are the decals to it. Not a lot of decals. Of course, it's an old racing bike. They didn't have a lot of decals on the old ones. And the instructions. You can see very clearly it is not started. And I think I got till October to get this done, but I'm actually going to try to get it done pretty quick. I'll probably be one of the first ones to get it done, or very close, because there is a model show in Clarksville, Arkansas, I think on the 25th or 26th, or both days. I know it's on the towards the end of the month, and I know that because me and my wife we'll have our 33rd wedding anniversary, March 17th. We were married on St. Patrick's Day, so that'll be our 33rd wedding anniversary. So I know it's the weekend after, I think's what it is, or yeah, the weekend or so after that. Will be a model show in Clarksville. Okay. So with that being said, guys, this is my entry. Cliff, it's an honor to be in it again. I always love your motorcycle group builds. And guys, if y'all ain't subscribed to him, description will be below. And anybody I mention in this, I'll leave description below. Come join our community. Get in on the motorcycle group build. A crap ton of people already has. And it's going to be a good one. Like I said, the time limit's from now until I think October, so you got plenty of time to do it. Like I said, I'm going to get on it pretty quick and get mine done. Like I said, I want to have mine done by the show in March. And then too, I got my small scale build coming up, me and Brian. So get on there, check it out. Check out the community. I'm out. Maybe.